Next topic is infertility. So, what do you mean by this infertility? Without studying this one, this chapter doesn't end itself, right? So, let us go through the definition of infertility. Infertility is the condition in which the couple are unable to produce their young ones even after the sexual cohabitation for longer period. It's called as what? So infertility means, so here the couple are unable to bear their young ones, produce their young ones. This condition is called as what? Infertility. Simply we can say it is an inability of the couple to produce their young one. So this way also we can write the definition: inability of couple to produce their young ones, called as what? Infertility. It is said as. So many attempts. So many of the people are unable to produce their young ones because of plenty number of reasons are there. Okay. So in India as well as across the world, plenty number of couple are unable to produce their young ones. They are infertile in nature, right? So there might be the reasons for this infertility, or they may be psychological, physical, right, or sometimes immunological. So any one of the reasons by which they have become infertile in nature, right? And in India especially, the female is always blamed for not having the children even after the sexual enjoyment of the couple for about 2 to 3 years. But the defect may be present in the man also, right, or in male also, right? So sometimes, so these detection of these disorders, what are there in males as well as females, is being done by many number of infertility clinics. What are there for the help for such kind of couple, the one who are unable to bear their young ones itself, right? So in India, such kind of very few number of clinics are there, so or else the centers are there where the couple are able to get their own child itself, and such kind of technologies which have been developed so as to make the infertile couple as a fertile. So such kind of techniques are called as assisted reproductive techniques itself, right? So these assisted reproductive techniques, before going to see that one, we must glance over what are the reasons for male infertility as well as female infertility. Let us go through the male infertility first, right? So what are the reasons for male infertility? So first one, so here oligospermia. So this is a very important term. It is oligospermia in the sense that, so it is a low sperm count. What it is called as? Low sperm count. So there plenty number of sperms are needed so as to fertilize one single egg. Already we have gone through that process in the last chapter. So you know, plenty number of millions of sperms that attack on a single egg cell. One of the sperms fertilize the egg cell, but that remaining number of sperms may not be produced by the male, and such condition in case of male itself is called as oligospermia. And one more term I had explained in the last chapter, that is cryptorchidism. Cryptorchidism means undescended condition of the testes. That moment the testis is unable to produce the sperms because of the high temperature. So there is a need of less temperature, less than the body temperature is needed for the production of sperms, which is suitable for the production of sperms, right? So that is cryptorchidism is also one more reason for male infertility itself. Next one is Adam. What is this? Androgen deficiency in males or aging males, it is said as. So I shall write here androgen deficiency in aging males. If androgen hormone is not produced in males, then automatically there would not be spermatogenesis. Automatically there is no fertilization or production of sperm in male. So this leads to what? Infertility by the male itself. Next one is impotency. Impotency is the condition where the man is unable to erect his penis. So during the copulation itself, that condition is said as impotency condition in case of male, right? So this is also one more reason for male infertility. And fourth reason, azoospermia. Azoospermia condition is also there, right? Azoospermia, sperms do not have what? Motility, they do not have. So the condition is that it would be as azoospermia. And so many defective sperms may be produced over here. Defective sperms produced over here. And the next one is so increased phagocytosis of sperms by the by many number of macrophages present in the vaginal debris, right? Itself, right? Increased phagocytosis. Increased phagocytosis of sperms is also the reason for this one, right? So these are many number of reasons are there. Vasectomy itself is so you know it is male sterilization, right? You may write that one also. Vasectomy is also the reason behind this one, right? So low sperm count is the major one, right? Oligospermia, azoospermia, defective sperms, right? There would not be any tail for the sperm, then how can they move? So there is no possibility. If the man is unable to deposit the sperms at the high region of the vagina, right, that may reach the cervix, right? So then also there is no possibility of what? So what conceive in the female. So these are all male infertility reasons or the causes for male infertility, right? So many are there, but still I have given very few of themselves, right? So next one is female infertility condition. Many reasons are there for female infertility. One by one, let us see now. So first one is, you may take the fimbriae, right? So fimbriae are there. So these are finger-like projections that are there, that are the terminal parts of the infundibulum. So these fimbriae are unable to collect the secondary oocyte into the female tubule. It is called as fallopian tube itself, right? So then this is also one of the reasons for what? Female infertility. Fimbriae are unable to collect the secondary oocyte into the fallopian tubes, one reason. And next one is ectopic pregnancy. Ectopic pregnancy. See here, in this region, what happens over here is, so the pregnancy occurs, of course, after the fertilization. The zygote, what it grows into embryo, so it grows into embryo. That embryonal developmental stage is blastocyst. That blastocyst is unable to implant on the what, uterine wall, that is nothing but endometrium. So other than the endometrium, in other parts it is going to implant. That is why the pregnancy failures, right? That kind of pregnancy is called as what? Ectopic pregnancy. And the next one is early miscarriages. Early miscarriages. Too early miscarriages are taking place sometimes in some of the couples because of many of the reasons. The hormonal reasons may be there. So the gonadotropic hormones which are insufficiently produced, or the hormonal balance is not taking place in that female, then automatically what happens? So early miscarriages are taking place over here. This is also one more reason. And anovulation. Anovulation means, so there is no ovulation occurs in that woman. No ovulation. No ovulation leads to what? No formation of corpus luteum. If there is no corpus luteum, there is no production of progesterone that maintains the pregnancy in the woman itself, right? This is also one more reason for that one. And the next reason for this one is defective growth of the uterus as well as vagina. Defective growth of uterus and vagina is also one more reason, right? And the next one is blockage in the fallopian tubes. Blockages in fallopian tubes, right? So these are all the reasons for female infertility. Many are there amongst themselves. Some of themselves I have listed out over here. This is all about the what? Infertility, right? And the next topic is, what are the solutions for this infertility in males as well as females? So how these infertile couple are made able to get their young ones, right? It's all the challenges and those techniques which are there, so as to make these infertile couples to get their young ones, are called as assisted reproductive techniques. And such kind of assisted reproductive techniques let us study now in the next video. Thank you.